I also want to highlight the overdue and pending complaints. So for that purpose, I need to use the conditional formatting. So first I'm going to select all these data. Then I'll go to the Home tab, and under the Home tab I have the conditional formatting. I'll click on this new rule, and here I'll select this use a formula to determine which cell to format, and then here I'll write the formula equal this first cell of the status. I'll keep the column locked but unlock the row by removing this dollar sign. This will highlight the entire row instead of just highlighting the status cell. Equal to overdue. Then I want to format it. I'll click on this format and I'll choose the red color, but I want to get the lighter red color, so I'm going to click the more color, and here I'll choose the light red color. OK, and again OK. So here you can see that the cells with the overdue status are highlighted with red color. Again I'll click on this conditional formatting, click on new rule, click on use a formula to determine which cell to format. Here I'll write equal. I'll select the first cell, and this time again I'll remove the dollar sign before the row number, and I'll write equal, and this time in inverted commas I'll write pending. I'll click on this format. I'll choose this yellow color, click on this OK, again OK, and here you can see that the pending complaints are highlighted with the yellow color. Now not only we can easily visualize that which complaints are pending and which are resolved or overdue, we can mark them and change the status from overdue to the resolved or from pending to resolved very easily. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Know How, and leave a comment with the next Excel project you would like me to cover. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.